I'm going to present the function of tanning and how they are used to render animal hide into a leather. So the definition of tanning is a yellowish or brownish bitter-tasting organic substance present in some galls, barks, and other plant tissues, consisting of derivatives of gallic acid used in leather production and ink manufacture. In trees, tannins serve a variety of functions, such as defending against herbivores, protecting against UV radiation, and regulating water uptake. When a tree is damaged by an insect or other herbivores, it releases tannin into the damaged area. The tannins are bitter, which makes the damaged area less attractive to herbivores and discourage them from further feeding. Tannins also have antimicrobial properties which helps to prevent infections in the damaged area. Tannins also play a role in regulating water uptakes in trees. They help to bind and stabilize proteins of other molecules in the cell walls, making them more resistant to change in water availability. This can help trees to cope with periods of drought and excess moistures. Additionally, tannins protect trees against harmful UV radiation. They absorb and scatter UV light, which can damage DNA and other cellular components. This is particularly important for trees growing in areas with high level of UV radiation, such as at high altitudes or near the equator. However, one of the most important functions of tanning is in the process of turning animal hides into leather. So when an animal is slaughtered, its hide or skin is removed and now starts the process of preserving it. If the hide is not treated properly, it will quickly decay and become unusable. Tanning is the process of converting animal skin into leather by soaking it in a liquid containing tannic acid or by use of other chemicals. The tanning process involves the chemical transformation of collagen fibers in animal skin into a more stable and resistant material. Tannins are added to the hide during the process and they bind to the collagen fibers, making them less susceptible to decay and more durable. Tannins are a group of naturally occurring polyphenolic compounds that can bind to collagen fibers at the molecular level through hydrogen binding and hydrophobic interactions. Collagen is a protein that provides structural support to many tissues in the body, and tannins can form cross links with the collagen molecules, leading to increased stability and strength of the tissue. Tannins can also alter the structure and the function of collagen by inducing conformational changes and modulating enzymatic activity, which have important implications for various biological processes such as healing and inflammations. There are two main types of tanning: vegetable tanning and chrome tanning. In vegetable tanning, the hides are soaked in tannin-rich solutions made from the bark of certain trees, such as oak, chestnut, or crepetrol. Vegetable tanning is a slow process taking several weeks or even months, but it produces a high-quality leather that is both durable and attractive. In chrome tanning, the hide are treated with chromium salts, which also bind to the collagen fibers and stabilize them. Chrome tanning is a much faster process than vegetable tanning, taking only a few hours, but it produces a leather that is less durable and more likely to crack over time. The process of using tannins to tan animal hides into leather involves several steps. The first step is in the process is to prepare the animal hide. This involves removing any flesh, hair, or other debris from the hide and cleaning it thoroughly. After the hide has been prepared, it is soaked into a tanning solution. In additional vegetable tanning, the solution is made by boiling trees in water to extract the tannins. The tannins are then dissolved in water to create tanning solution. After the hide has been soaked in the tanning solution, it is washed to remove any excess tannins. The hide is then neutralized by soaking it in a solution of water and bicarbonate of soda. This helps to balance the pH of the hide and prevent it from becoming too acidic. Once the hide has been neutralized, it is dried slowly. This allows the tannins to bind to the collagen fibers in the hide and create a stable, durable material. And the final step is the leather is finished by trimming off any excess material, buffing the surface, and add any desired textures or design. These can be done by the machine or by the hand.